My superstars, this is a Sapa food series. If you're hungry and you have coconut, I will show you what to do with it. If you have not tried this delicacy before, then my superstars, you are so missing. This video is extraordinary, my superstars. I've got great surprise for you in the course of this video. Promise you will laugh. Okay, so first I'm trying to heat the coconut with its shell on fire. Okay, so this process is supposed to separate the shell from the coconut itself. By drying, heating up the shell separates from the coconut when you break it open. So turn it, make sure all sides. Okay, so before this, I had roasted this on fire. Let me see if it has done its magic. So we're going to crack this coconut. Okay, let's go ahead and crack it. Oh. Okay, so I've cracked it. Let me pour the water. Ooh. Let me test the water if it's nice. This is good. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and crack the shell to get the actual coconut. Okay, so I didn't burn this on fire for too long, so I guess that's why it's not well separated from the shell. Okay, it's not fully separated from the shell. Nevertheless, you can still separate it from the shell with your knife. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and use my knife. You need to be very careful when you're doing this, my superstars. Alright, as you can see, I have been able to separate it. I have my coconut. Next, my superstars, you are going to grab a slice of bread. Yes, this is one delicious combo. If you have not tried before, my superstars, you have not had something delicious. This coconut is going to serve as coconut butter, okay, with our bread. So you're just going to go ahead and have a bite of the bread and have a bite of your coconut. This combo is wow. It is so delicious, my superstars. So, my superstars, when life gives you coconut, use it to make coconut butter and then eat it with bread. All right? Do you agree with me? Mm, very delicious. If you have not tried this before, my superstars, you need to try it. Okay? If you have tried it, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. What did it taste like? Did you enjoy it? Let me know in the comment section. And if you're going to try it, let me know in the comment section. So you can take this with our coconut water as juice. So everything here is natural. Very delicious. For best result, to have the best of this combo, you need to get a dried coconut. Okay, that's where you get to have the real, actual, delicious taste. If the coconut is dry, it's going to be very delicious and sweet. By the time you combine it with your bread, the secret to eating a healthy meal is eating a balanced diet. Okay, so in this case, to balance this coconut and bread meal, okay, you have to give it a dance. Okay. Shake it in, shake it in, shake it in. All right, shake it in. So voila, a meal is balanced. What do you think, my superstars? Thank you for watching, my superstars. I appreciate every one of you. Till our next video, always remember that I love you, my superstars.